Hey everyone, welcome to review video of the Toyota Innova Crysta GX, the perfect multi-purpose vehicle, MPV, that delivers exceptional spaciousness, powerful engine options, and premium features. Whether you're looking for a reliable family car or a comfortable vehicle for long road trips, the Innova Crysta GX is a strong contender. Let's dive into its design, performance, features, and pricing to see what makes it one of the best MPVs in the market. Exterior design and build quality. The Toyota Innova Crysta GX boasts a bold and premium design with a strong road presence. The sleek chrome grille, projector headlamps, and stylish bumper add to its sophisticated appeal. The side profile is enhanced by 16-inch alloy wheels and aerodynamic body lines, giving it a dynamic look. The rear design features sleek tail lamps and a sturdy bumper, making the Crysta look elegant and robust. With high ground clearance and strong build quality, this MPV is designed for both urban roads and long highway journeys. Key exterior highlights: heavy checkmark bold chrome front grille, heavy checkmark projector headlamps with LED DRLs, heavy checkmark 16-inch alloy wheels for a stylish stance, heavy checkmark aerodynamic body for better fuel efficiency, heavy checkmark rear combination lamps for enhanced visibility. Engine and performance. The Toyota Innova Crysta GX comes with two powerful engine options, a 2.7L petrol engine and a 2.4L diesel engine. The 2.7L petrol engine generates 164 bhp and 245 Nm of torque, while the 2.4L diesel engine produces 148 bhp and 343 Nm of torque. Both engines are tuned for smooth and effortless performance, ensuring a comfortable drive on highways and city roads. It comes with two transmission choices, a 5-speed manual transmission and a 6-speed automatic transmission, allowing you to choose based on your driving preference. The suspension setup is designed to absorb road bumps effectively, making it ideal for long-distance travel. Key engine and performance features. Heavy checkmark 2.7L petrol engine, 164 bhp/245 Nm. Heavy checkmark 2.4L diesel engine, 148 bhp/343 Nm. Heavy checkmark 5-speed manual and 6-speed automatic transmission. Heavy checkmark excellent ride quality with superior suspension. Heavy checkmark fuel efficient and low maintenance. Interior and comfort. Step inside, and you are welcomed by a spacious and premium cabin that offers ultimate comfort for passengers. The ergonomic seats, premium fabric upholstery, and ample legroom make long journeys a breeze. The dashboard features a modern design, with an easy-to-use touchscreen infotainment system, a multifunction steering wheel, and automatic climate control. The second row seats come with captain seat options, while the third row offers foldable seats, making it easy to accommodate more passengers or extra luggage. With multiple storage compartments and a well-ventilated cabin, the Innova Crysta GX is built for family comfort and practicality. Key interior features. Heavy checkmark premium fabric upholstery with soft touch materials. Heavy checkmark multifunction steering wheel with mounted controls. Heavy checkmark 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity. Heavy checkmark automatic climate control for better cooling. Heavy checkmark adjustable and foldable third row seats for extra space. Safety features. When it comes to safety, the Toyota Innova Crysta GX stands out with top-class safety features. It is equipped with dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, ISOFIX child seat anchors, rear parking sensors, and a reinforced body structure. The electronic stability control and hill start assist further enhance safety, making it one of the most secure MPVs in its class. Key safety features. Heavy checkmark dual front airbags for driver and passenger safety. Heavy checkmark ABS with EBD for better braking control. Heavy checkmark Isofix child seat mounts for added protection. Heavy checkmark rear parking sensors for easy maneuvering. Heavy checkmark reinforced body structure for impact protection. Technology and infotainment. The Toyota Innova Crysta GX comes with modern technology features that enhance convenience and entertainment. The 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports Bluetooth, USB, and AUX connectivity, ensuring seamless entertainment on the go. Additionally, the steering-mounted controls, power windows, and keyless entry make driving easier and more comfortable. Key technology features: heavy checkmark 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, heavy checkmark Bluetooth, USB, and AUX connectivity, heavy checkmark steering-mounted audio and phone controls, heavy checkmark power adjustable ORVMs for easy visibility, heavy checkmark keyless entry for added convenience. Variants and pricing. The Toyota Innova Crysta GX is available in both petrol and diesel variants with manual and automatic transmission options. It is positioned as a value-for-money MPV, offering premium features at a competitive price. Heavy checkmark Innova Crysta GX Petrol, manual 19.99 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. Heavy checkmark Innova Crysta GX Petrol, automatic 21.59 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. Heavy checkmark Innova Crysta GX Diesel, manual 20.99 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. Heavy checkmark Innova Crysta GX Diesel, automatic 22.69 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. Final verdict: should you buy the Toyota Innova Crysta GX? The Toyota Innova Crysta GX is a perfect MPV for those looking for a spacious, powerful, and reliable vehicle. With its bold design, premium interior, powerful engine options, and top-notch safety features, it is a great choice for families, business owners, and long-distance travelers. Whether you're planning road trips, daily commutes, or commercial use, the Innova Crysta GX stands out as a leader in the MPV segment. Pros: white heavy checkmark bold and premium exterior design. White heavy checkmark spacious and comfortable cabin. White heavy checkmark reliable and powerful engine options. White heavy checkmark excellent safety features. White heavy checkmark Toyota's trusted reliability and low maintenance. Cons: crossmark no sunroof option in this variant. Crossmark slightly expensive compared to competitors. Outro. That wraps up our detailed review of the Toyota Innova Crysta GX. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. And #128663, and #12